Welcome back. In our last quick bite, we covered persistent volume claims, or PVCs, the request for storage. Now, let's talk about the resource that actually fulfills that request, the persistent volume, or PV. A PV is a cluster level resource that represents a piece of network storage provisioned in your physical infrastructure. Think of it as a cluster wide block of storage that is completely independent of any pod's life cycle. It is managed by the cluster administrator. What does a PV define? It contains all the necessary details of the physical storage. Just like a PVC, it defines its size and access modes, such as read write once. But it also defines the crucial storage type, like NFS, ISCSI, or specific cloud providers. PVs are created in two ways. 1. Static provisioning. The administrator manually creates the PV YAML before any pods are deployed. 2. Dynamic provisioning. This is the modern way. A PVC uses a storage class to automatically ask the cloud provider to create the PV on demand, making the entire process invisible to the administrator. What happens when the pod and the PVC are deleted? The PV enters a release state. The reclaim policy defined on the PV determines its fate. This policy can be retained, where the PV waits for manual deletion, delete, where the PV and the actual cloud disk are automatically erased, or recycle, which cleans the data, though this is rarely used now. The PV is the actual storage unit, defining its size and type, and living independently of your pods. Together, PVs and PVCs make storage reliable and abstracted in Kubernetes.